Welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you so much for being here. Please do subscribe, like, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you think about this practice. I am here with a short, relaxing flow. Even just a few minutes of breathing and stretching can help you to reduce stress and anxiety, especially when there isn't a huge time commitment involved. So, let's begin lying down on your mat. You might want to block, but it's not required. Untuck the tailbone a little bit. Palms are going to rest on your heart and on your stomach. Lower the chin slightly to lengthen the back of the neck. Eyes are either softly gazing or you can close them. Do your best to stay present. The best way to do that is to shift your focus to the breath. Begin as an observer for a couple of rounds. Gently take over as you breathe in and out through the nose, breathing smoothly. Relax your temples, relax your jaw. Feel the breath as it enters in the nose, expands the torso, lifts your hands. That moment between each inhale, each exhale, when one becomes the other. That moment is meditation, the space between each thoughts, the present moment. Extend your arms overhead and draw both knees into the chest, nose to knees for a moment. Relax your head and your neck back. One hand on each knee, draw some circles with the knees in one direction. And then reverse. Bring the right knee into the chest, extend the left leg out. Interlace the fingers on top of the shin. If a box grip is available, hold opposite elbows. Lengthen the back of the neck. Don't let the chin stick up. Inhale. Exhale into a twist. Guide the right knee across to the left. Right arm reaches out and away from you, palm facing down. If you're deciding between the shoulder or the knee, go with the shoulder. You might place a block under the left knee, the right knee to the left. Breathe against the torso constriction. Return to your back and lengthen the right leg down onto the mat. Reach your arms overhead and hug the left knee in. Repeat whatever you did on the right side in terms of grip. Lower the chin. Back of the neck is long. Breathe. Feel the breath expand to the top of the leg. If you need to, you can shift the left knee to the knee to the left, whichever one you're hugging in, if you need to make space. Deep breath in. Long exhale, twist. Draw the knee across to the right. Extend the left arm out. Try to bring the shoulder down. Relax your temples, relax your jaw, relax your thoughts. Hi, Gator. Come back to center and extend your left leg out. Reach the arms overhead. You can arch the back, flex the feet, reach. And again, bring both knees into the chest, nose to knees. Head and neck back, a little bit of a rock side to side again. Bring the soles of the feet to touch. Let the knees fall apart. Rest your feet on the mat. We're in a reclined butterfly pose. You can bring your hands to the heart and stomach if you need a little bit of a lift, arms overhead. Find stillness, make a decision. You can always choose something else when I see you next time. Slow down the breath. Use your hands to help your knees back together if you need to. Draw the knees in and either roll to one side or rock your way up to a seated position any way that's comfortable. Sit up tall. That way the chakras are aligned. Bring the palms to touch and really seal the palms, not really pressing them, but don't leave a bubble. Close the eyes. Scan the body. And recognize that you are an amazing being. You are so much more than your physical form. We will close with a breath. Inhale. Lift the arms out and overhead. One more sip of air at the end. Inhale. Long exhale. Lower the hands down. Remember to trust your intuition. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe. Please leave me a comment below letting me know how you feel, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste.